What's better than $100? $600. Let's get it. Welcome back to the Robinhood Investment Challenge. Let's jump right into the rewards. So first reward is by Dwight. So thank you. I'm gonna open this one right up in the middle. Come on, Berkshire Hathaway. And I got AKS Steel. It is worth $2.95. I'm gonna open another free stock reward from Malik, Mr. Malik. Let's predict that this one will be Apple. So I've been trying to get these really rare rewards, but it does not look like it's gonna happen. I've been getting all these smaller type companies, AKS Steel. I've gotten that so many times. All right, Mr. Victor, thank you. Let's open this one on the right. I think Robinhood has a conspiracy to only give me really crappy stocks. So Zanga, another stock that I've gotten many times. All right, Stanley, Mr. Stanley, thank you. Apple, come on, baby. And I got another share of Groupon, like how I've gotten it so many other times. I'm gonna open these stocks in another episode, so stay tuned and subscribe if you wanna check that one out. If you guys didn't already know, I am Bruce Wang. Welcome back to the channel. This is the Robinhood Investment Challenge. I've been doing this challenge since September, and right now my account is worth $3,162. And every week I deposit $100 into my account. I buy, I sell, and mostly I collect dividends, and that is how I've grown my account in the last 6 months. On the week, I am down $13. On the month, I am up $230. On the 3-month chart, I am up $400. On the 1-year chart, I'm up $420. And on the all-time chart, I am down $33. One day, this will be back in the green. Trust me on that. I'm gonna do everything in my power to get this back into the green. Before I get into my main topic, if you guys are enjoying the video right now, don't forget to drop me a like down below. Thanks. For the main topic of the video, I wanna go over 2 things. The first thing, I wanna go over my brand new strategy, and the second thing, I want to show you guys an email I received from Robinhood. In my last video, I told you guys I did not know what I was gonna do with all of these free rewards that I've been getting on Robinhood, and I've decided that I will be selling off everything because all of these rewards given to me by Robinhood, they just suck, and every day I just see them losing value time and time again. A lot of the stocks that I've opened up today, I've already sold. For example, Groupon, I've sold probably 5 to 10 shares of Groupon already. Zanga, I've sold over 10 to 12 shares of Zanga just the other day. AK Steel, I probably sold 10 shares of AK Steel as well. One thing that I wanted to point out is that you cannot sell a reward on the first day that you received it. I would have to wait 1 to 2 days if I want to sell any of these shares. And with all the cash that I'm gonna be getting from these crappy rewards, I'm gonna put them into blue chip stocks, and I'm gonna put some of them into monthly dividend stocks. I started to sell all my rewards since yesterday, and I believe that I sold about $100 worth of rewards. With that being said, I spent a lot of that cash on AT&T. At the moment, AT&T is worth $29.92, and they have a crazy dividend yield of 7%, and at the moment, I do not know if that is even sustainable. With that being said, AT&T might be undervalued at the moment, and if AT&T can continue to pay out this dividend yield, I believe that their price will start to go up. And that is why I bought 1 share of AT&T yesterday. And you guys know I love my monthly dividend stocks, so I had to show SPHD some love. I bought 1 share of SPHD yesterday at $42.12. SPHD is a mutual fund that pays out monthly dividends, and that attracts a lot of investors. Right now, their dividend yield is 4.4%. I got in with an average cost of $40.88. I've been buying this stock all the way since September, so we have a really long-term relationship. My total return on SPHD at the moment is almost $25. Another stock that I bought yesterday was LTC Properties. This is a REIT, and it's also a monthly dividend stock. Dividend yield is at 5.4%, and currently my total return is about -$1 on this stock. So in the past few weeks, this stock has been going up and down in value, but I have averaged my way in, and my average cost at the moment is $44.19. The other two stocks that I bought yesterday were PSEC and AGNC. Right now I have 200 shares of Prospect Capital. This was my original goal. I wanted to have 200 shares. So the equity right now, I'm in $1,328, average cost of $6.72. So this is worth 25% of my portfolio. This is one of my largest holdings. This is the largest holding in my portfolio. There's always a lot of love and hate for Prospect Capital, but I think that Prospect Capital is a great investment for myself. For other investors, I can't say, so I'm not gonna tell you to go buy Prospect Capital. So at the moment, my total return is negative $15. I normally see this about once a month. The price will start to drop after everyone collects their monthly dividends. And right before the ex-dividend date, the price will start to rise up a bit. Dividend yield is 11%. That is really high and really risky, guys. So just know your risk tolerance before you do any investing in any type of stocks. Just know your risk tolerance. AGNC investments. My ultimate goal is to have 100 shares of AGNC investments. Right now, I'm at 65 shares. Equity at the moment is $1,142. And this is my second largest holding in my portfolio. It is 22% of my whole entire portfolio. My average cost for AGNC is about $18. Right now, it's at the price is $17.58. And total return is negative $26.79. If you're gonna invest into AGNC, know that is a high risk play. This usually tends to have the same type of cycle as PSEC. The price starts to dip after everyone collects their dividends, and before the ex-dividend date, the price will start to rise up higher. That's what I've seen in the last 2 months that I've owned these two stocks. After I hit 100 shares of AGNC, I'm going to stop investing in that company and start to put my cash into a lot safer investments. I like to mix it up to have some risky investments and a lot more safe investments. The second topic that I want to go over for my video is this email that I got from Robinhood. I'm going to quickly read off this email for you just in case the text is too small. It says, congratulations, you've invited 106 friends to Robinhood. That's crazy. Earned about 500 in free stocks and cemented yourself as top Robinhood influencer. At this point, you'll stop receiving free stocks because the next one would cross the 500 limit. However, you can still invite your friends and they'll still get a free stock when they join. So after I received this email, I've been questioning Robinhood's reward system. I'm wondering why I have to scratch off all these rewards like you saw earlier in the video. It seems like I'm not going to be getting any rare stocks because they've already gave me a value on all of the free stocks that I've owned. If I scroll through here, you can see that I have a lot of unopened stocks from my subscribers. So I'm questioning why Robinhood does this. Why do they give you why do they say they'll give you a chance to get a free stock that is worth over $200 if they're only gonna give me all these stocks that are only worth like $2 to $5? It just doesn't make any sense. And I think that these rewards are already predetermined. So there's really no reason to scratch off the reward when they give you that prompt. At the moment, this is just a theory of mine. I'm not sure if this is something controversial. I'll still be opening these rewards that I've gotten from my subscribers because I have a lot of them and I still want to get that one rare reward like Apple or Berkshire Hathaway. But I have a feeling that I won't receive it because the Robinhood reward system already predetermines what you're gonna get. If you guys wanna learn more about dividends and the portfolio that I have, you guys can check out these videos here. I go in depth with my portfolio and my thought process behind it. You can just click this here and it will bring you there. Don't forget to like and subscribe to make it rain.